Hey everyone, Terry Brighton here in Wingham, Ontario. I have another small block stroke Mopar on the stand. This one here is going in Robb's 70 Dart. It's stroke 408. It's got the scat rotating assembly, the 1-98113 BI kit. With the Speedmaster as cast heads, it works out to 9.9 to 1. This engine, I put a Lenati cam in it. Having a hard time getting hydraulic roller, so it's a Lenati flat tappet hydraulic. The part number is a 102-00703, and there's the specs if you need to know. I've never used this cam before, but it's supposed to be good for mid-range and create lots of vacuum for your vacuum brakes, and have a, I think they call it a noticeable idle, so it's not too radical, but it should do the trick. Basically, he's got a air gap intake on it. I use my carb to break the cam in and my ignition because I know everything starts up really good. He's putting a different carb on it, but it's here nor there. If you need to know anything else about it, you can let me know. This thing should have over 400 horse, but not a lot over. I would say right around the 4, maybe 4.25. So, let's start her up here. Idling there, 750, 800. Got Crane gold rockers on it, 1.5. A lot of people ask what those mufflers are. They're actually Summit mufflers. Very reasonable, and I think they make all the engines I do sound really good too. I just like the tone of them. And that's Robb's engine for his 70 Dart. Thanks for watching.